everyone, welcome to another vlog. My name is Sogand. I'm a character designer and today is my best friend's birthday. She is a wedding photographer and I'm planning to draw her with her camera in her hand and in a wedding ceremony. And also I'm gonna draw another painting for her, which is my friend and her husband in one frame. I'm gonna, coloring them and frame them both and give them her birthday. Today they are gonna come to my house and I made cake. I will show you later. I'm planning to frame these two beautiful paintings and give them to her and see her reaction. So let's get started. I'm using Gouache today. It's pretty popular and this is my third time using it. Gouache can be a little tricky at first if you are new to it, so don't worry, you just need to practice a few times. It gets easier, I promise. Some artists like to start with dark colors and add lighter ones later. Others do the opposite, light first and then dark. For me, I think you should do whatever feels good for you. There is no right or wrong way, just enjoy painting and don't stress out. If you make a mistake, it's okay, you can always fix it. For this one, I'm starting with light colors and slowly blending into the darker shades. Can we talk about this paper? It's so good. I didn't even tape the edges and it's holding up great. No wrinkles, no damage. I will make sure to share the link in case you wanted to try it too. I'm almost done with this sketchbook, so I need to buy another one very soon. After the first layer dries a bit, just enough so the colors don't mix, I go back in and start working on the background. I decide to use a darker color this time because I think it helps the main subject to stand out more. It gives the whole piece a bit more contrast and makes it feel more finished. Once I'm happy with the background, I move on to the painting her husband sits. I use a deep navy blue, which I really love. It looks so elegant and calm. The color fits the wedding theme perfectly and it also balances really nicely with the lighter shade I used earlier. I try to keep the brush stroke clean and smooth here since the suits really look neat and polished. Little things like that helps the painting feel more realistic and thoughtful. Once everything is dry, I start on her wedding dress and the veil over her head. If the paint is still wet, the color would mix and I don't want that. So I will make sure that everything is dry. Then it's time for details, my favorite part. This is where the painting really comes to life and looks finished. I always enjoy this part the most. In another video I made, I will link it above here. I used the same gouache set for a super bright painting and the detail work at the end was so fun, just like now. I'm really enjoying this. This is the very fun part for me. When I'm happy with how it looks, I add some darker shades to give it more depth in the hair, neck, and shadows. Then I let it dry. And now it's time to start the next painting. This one is very different from the first. I'm still using the same colors, but this time I'm doing a fun cartoon style version, like turning my friend into a cute character. I wanted to draw her in two styles, one realistic and the other one more like a fun illustration. That's why they look so different, and I love the contrast. Just like before, I start with light colors for her face, hair, and the background. I like starting light colors because it's easier to build up depth and add shadows later. For her face, I use a soft skin tone and keep it simple at first. Then I add a light base for her hair so I can layer in darker shades later on. The background also starts lights just to map things out, then I bring it in a darker background to help the character really pop. Since it's also wedding themed, I add some small wedding decoration in the background, like white flowers, a few stands and plants, just little things to make it special and fun. Then I work on her face and a smile. Even though the style is simple, I try to give it a soft 3D look by adding a bit of shading. I really wanted to still feel like her even though it's a cartoon. Now it's time for details again. My favorite part. I start adding the final touches to her face, her outfit, the camera she's holding, and all the little things around her. These small details bring everything together and make the painting feel alive. Alright, everybody, the drawing is finished. I'm gonna just show you my friend and her husband in their wedding day, which I really like this illustration. It's so good. I think they're gonna love it. Here's the other one, my friend and her camera in the wedding day. So she's at work here. Well, yeah, I tried to capture the moment. I hope she like it. I'm gonna frame these two, and I'm gonna put them in a birthday bag or something like that. I've got that one. And yeah, so I'm gonna heading to kitchen. I'm gonna make food because they're gonna come here like next 2 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna be prepared for their wedding. No, not wedding, for their birthday. Yeah, so I will show you their reaction as well. Let's see if they like it. Oh, this is very cute. Look! It's nice, isn't it? It's so good in the frame. Woo! Okay, the next one. All right, the next one. I just realized that this little corner doesn't have much color, so I'm gonna just have a look to see if it fits well. And no, we need a little more, so I'm gonna just remove this part. Alright, yes, this is it. Oh, good. I love it. Oh, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna wrap them all and put them in a birthday bag. So also I've got something else for her as well. Let me show you that. So she's not an artist. She is an artist. As I told you, she's a wedding photographer. She's really good. But she's not into drawing or painting. She really likes to learn how to draw, how to paint. So, she's very interested in drawing and painting. So I decided to get a 30 color pencil for her. And I've got a coloring book for her as well. This is very beautiful. I really like it. Let me just show you a few pages. This is a fairy coloring book, and there is like painting and also like line of art, so she can have a look at the original painting in one side and try to copy them in the other side. When I saw this, I really liked it. I was thinking that it could be a good way to start coloring. So this can help her to a little get into painting. This is one gift, the other one, and two personal one. And this is her bag. Oh, okay. I don't have much time. I don't know why I'm doing this. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap them with the blue one and put them in this bag. It's colorful inside, like beautiful. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's not gonna finish here. We are gonna go have parties, so make sure to look at that as well. It's gonna be after all of this. So yeah, have a nice day. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. That's just helped me to, build my community and grow my YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.
حالا خوشحال شدی دیگه. مرسی، ممنون. اگر